So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left button. Select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our sample project. Select the clip. Adjust the size and position as you like. Tap on the clip again to unselect. Select filter. Adjust saturation. Reduce it down a little bit to make the video look dull. Select PIP. And here we have two old film overlays. You can download them from the video description. Fill to cover the full screen. And if you are working with vertical video, then just rotate it. Finally, go to Blend and select Slide. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.